Hi everyone. We're going to go over just some quick tips on how you can be successful on your Sight Reading Factory. Make sure that you are super comfortable and you understand the basic breakdown of the rhythms in 4/4 that we posted on our rhythm cheat sheet that we have shared with you. If you need us to resend that to you, please let us know. One way to practice your rhythm is to do rhythm only. That way you're not having to worry about what notes you're supposed to be playing, and you can just focus on the rhythm so that you can build that skill. So what you'll do is when you log into Sight Reading Factory on the app, this is the screen that you see. Normally you would click on assignments, but in this case you're going to click Go Practice. Once you have selected Go Practice, you will then select Rhythm Only. Normally you select strings, but we're just focusing on rhythm. Then you find what level you are working on. So for this, we're going to do level 3. And then I'll click Next. Then I select the time signature. We've been working on 4/4. Then from there, I can pick timed, practice, or regular. I'm going to pick regular because there isn't a timer. When you are in regular practice mode on Sight Reading Factory, you can click on the play button in the bottom left-hand corner to hear the rhythm played. Or if you just want to hear the metronome click, you can click on this button to hear the metronome. If I'm practicing level 3 for the first time, or if I'm still pretty new at it, then selecting the play option will be really helpful for you. What I'm going to do first is just clap and count. So I'm going to click the play button and clap and count along with the app. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so then I would practice that as many times as I need to until I did well with it. And then I would move to using my violin, okay? And then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm going to play along with the app. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then I would do that as many times as I needed to be successful. Because we selected regular practice, it's not timed. You can spend as much time as you need on each exercise. Once you're ready to move on to the next exercise, you just click the next button. Once you've done multiple exercises at this level and it starts to feel easy for you, then you can go back to where you clicked rhythm only and you can click on your instrument to actually get some notes and try and put it all together. In the regular practice mode, you can change the tempo. So if when you add your notes back, it's too fast for you, just slow it down. And then eventually you'll be able to speed yourself back up. I hope this is helpful and I can't wait to hear your Sight Reading Factories.